here from Vibe Caravans. Welcome to our how-to section of the website. Today I'm going to quickly run through how to use your Aussie Traveller Front Loader washing machine. This is a 3.5 kilo front loader and it's absolutely done the job for my family. Really simple to use. You do need to either be plugged in or have your inverter on to use this because it is a 240 volt appliance. You won't be able to use it off grid if you don't have an inverter, so just keep that in mind. But to begin with, you're going to hit the power button. Now this is going to default to the cottons wash and you can see that it's 48 minutes, so it displays the time of how long the wash is going to be. If you'd like to cycle through the different options, you can hit the program button. You have an option for a quick wash, which is 28 minutes. You have a soft wash, which is 1 hour and 3 minutes. We have a high temp wash, which is 1 hour and 36 minutes. We have a spin only, which is 8 minutes, and that's a spin and drain. And then we have a drum clean. So if you've been off grid for weeks on end, the kids' clothes are filthy, you need to get this puppy clean, you can do the drum clean function, and that's going to hit it at high temperature, and it's 1 hour and 11 minutes. One thing to take note is this does fit a lot in there, but if it's absolutely full, you might have issues with it off balancing as you would at home in your normal front loader washing machine. Now, if we come to the door, this is where you're going to put your laundry liquid if you use liquid. This section here, you can pull it in. You have a line to say good and a line to say max. I'm not too sure if you can see that there, but if you're going to use your laundry liquid, this is where it goes. Now from here, once the washing machine turns on, it's going to feed out the spout and into your laundry, making everything nice and clean. Now, this is Thriving Wanderer's washing machine and they use the laundry sheet. So in that case, they're going to tear it off and pop it in with their clothes and it's going to work perfectly. To get it happening, we're going to close the door, make sure it's locked, and you're going to hit the start button, which is this one here. Now that's a start pause button, so for any time during the wash you need to stop it, you might be unhitching, you're gonna unplug all of your water and head to the next spot. You can press pause, get to your next location, plug back in and hit start again and keep going. You also have a delay function, and this is really nice if you're going to go out for the day, you don't want your clean clothes sitting in the washing machine for hours. If we hit that button, it starts at 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I think we're going, oh no, that delay button is going and going and going. We're up to 18 hours. There you go. 19 hours you can delay your cycle. I don't know why you would need to do it that long, but you absolutely can. Yeah. Now, if you have any issues with the washing machine and if it's going to throw any error codes, it's going to come up on the screen here. If you have your Aussie Traveller owner's manual, if you don't have that, you can go on the website. They do have all of the codes and what they mean so that you will know what's happening with the washing machine. The biggest error code we get while we're traveling is that it's off balance. So when it's off balance, you will be able to open the door. I simply open the door, give it a little run around, close the door and press start. 9 times out of 10, that's enough education just to get it all back in line and for it to continue going. I have had an experience in the past where I had a heap of heavy towels in there and in the end it wasn't restarting, so I took out some of the towels, continued the wash and finished the other ones separately. So there are a few limitations, but that's what you get when you're caravanning. With all of our Vibe Caravans, we do have a tap here, and that's so you can open and close the water inlet. So if there's any issues you need to shut off the water, you can do that, and it's always really easily accessible. They keep it towards the front and they keep it close to the washing machine so that you can access that fast. I hope you found that really helpful today. There certainly are a few more error codes that you might come across. Find your owner's manual, whether it's on paper or online. And if you need any help, get in contact with Vibe Caravans, get in contact with Aussie Traveller, or you can always put a little shout out on the Facebook, Vibe Caravans Facebook owners group, because there's lots of people on there to help you as well. If you've got any extra time, head back to our how-to section on the website so you can see if there's any other tips and tricks so that you are using your van to its full potential so you can get out and have the best adventures possible.